Namaste. I'm Falguni Raja, and today you are with me for meditation with Krishna. The name Krishna brings smile on the face. Krishna signifies the courage, the truth, the justice, liberation, enlightenment, detachment, art, attraction, music, friendship, loyalty, supreme power, balance. When He is with you, no one can touch you. So today, Krishna is coming to meet you. One more time, He is coming to remind you that I am with you, I am within you, and I am you. You are not separate from me, neither I am separate from you. But you experience the separation. Because you perceive me as different than you. A big smile can heal everything. A big smile can release your pain from Krishna. So now I want all of you to sit in a space which is silent, where no one can disturb you. You can light a diya, and it's okay if you can't. And let's start our journey to meet Krishna, to experience Krishna, to experience the supreme power, the divinity. The joy and the happiness. Is going to come in your world. Just allow. So now take a slow deep breath. Inhale and slowly exhale. As you are exhaling, see yourself that you are superly grounded with Mother Earth. Grounding is necessary for you to experience the energy manifestation, and liberation itself. Take another slow, deep breath, and the moment you exhale, exhale with the sound ah. Rest your guards. Ah. Inhale. Last time. And see yourself completely grounded, strongly rooted with the core of Mother Heart, Mother Gaia. And now, as I invite the super consciousness, the Yogeshwar, Purna Purushottam, Krishna, the one beautiful light is coming out from your heart chakra with a big smile. And now he is standing in front of you, taking a form of Krishna. Playing a flute with a smile, with love, joy, happiness. And now he is speaking to us. I am your soul. I am your intuition. I am your supreme connection. You just need to recognize me. I am present all the time. But you can experience me the moment you empty yourself. Yes, I always become the path for the people who become the Arjun. I become the Sakha for the people who become the Draupadi, who surrender to me. There is no backup plans. I am your divine friend. If you come to me as Sudama, I am the Yogeshwar. But you need to have courage to surrender. You need to have the courage to allow me to drive, to guide you, and to take control of your life. Because you feel that you are doing everything. No. That's the illusion. Today I want to become your Sarathi. So please, sit down behind me. Visualize yourself that you are sitting with me in the beautifully decorated with the 5 horses, a rath. I would love to call you as Arjuna, because Arjuna is your mind and I'm your soul. The moment you empty yourself, you will experience me. I'm holding the control of these 5 horses, which is your 5 elements, which is your 5 senses, which is causing problems and blocks for you. Sit down behind me. And before we start the journey, I would like to speak the codes of Bhagavad Gita through Falguni. Tikalamashyakatakatakatakatatam shishakatakatakatatahashishasta alakatakatam shikatatatam arkahashtadakatatatam shishastadata alkashashastadakatata arhim karakatatatam shishasta arkam tatakatatatam alkashashasta karakhalatititim shishastadakatatatam shishastadakatatatam arham shishastadakatatam Marakalakhatatatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatatamatata Arkakakakakakamkashasta Artikhatakhatatatam shashastatatatatato Alashitatatatatatam tatakhatatatatashasta Arhim kalakhatatatatatatatama shashastatatatatato Arkashashashasta tatatama sharastatatata Alham sharakastatatata. Breathe out. And open your heart to receive and to release. Arakash tatakatatatatatatam shashas tatakatatata alakakakakakakamakalahatatidish tatatatatam arakatta shashasto arakakak shashas tatatatam. Let go. Marakatatatamataratatamashastatatatatam alakamakakakakakakakakamashamatatatatatato arakamashtatatatata malakatatatatatam tarakhalatatatatatatomashasta arakakakshishistatatatata arkam kalakatata marakalatatashtatatatam arhim tarakhalatatatata shamakatatatom tarakalatatashtatatatam Malhish takatatatam, shatatatatam, kashastatatam, taratatatatataha, alakashashasto, arkakakakakakam kalakatatatam, arkakakakakaham, arkakakakakaham, arkakakakakakaham, shashastatatam, shitatatatatam, shashasta, arkalatititim, shashastatitim, tatashishashasta. Arakakakakakakakakam kalatatashashasta makahakakahakam shisastatatam tashta. See the cleansing and energizing is happening. You can release through your mouth if you feel suffocated, if you feel pain. Now he is taking the charge of our journey. Just hold yourself and sit behind him. And our journey starts and we are moving towards ascension. And as we are moving for ascension, the first layer which is not opening, and he is smiling and asking the question, what is one thing which human being keep experiencing as a block? And with another beautiful smile, he is answering the karma. So he is releasing our karmas as much as you are open to release and ready to release. This codes will release your past karmas, so you can move with Krishna in your journey for ascension. Alakititihititim tarakhalatatatam akashtatatatatatatam alakalatititishtatata. And for that, he has created a beautiful pyramid around us, so nothing can touch us. And the karmas, the energies is releasing and releasing through the apex of the pyramid. So you are safe and guarded already. Alakashikalatatatatatatamatidashtatatatatata arham kishashashtatatatatata alakatahatatatatatato mashamdastatatatatata arkam kashashista arkam kashashista alhitata hata hata mashamadatatatatatatatato arkakakakakakakakamakalatatishtatatatatata malatatatata arkakakakakakashtatata Marco Coco 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 Mangalakatatam Dalagalatashista Arhika Kaka Kaka Kama Shishista Maladatatam Tatatam 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 Tatatamashista Tadadadadadadam Tatashista Tatatam Tatatam Tashista Tadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadadada Masha Shasha Alkaha Kaka Kaka Karkalakatatam Tashista Alkalakadadadam Tadakatta Shisham Taradadadada Tadada Tadadam Tadada Arhashis Taradadagalatitim Tadada Tititim Tadada Tititim Tadada Tadam Tadada Arhima Karakakakakakakakakakam Kalakadadadadatam Marho Coco 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 Mashamadatato Alakadatatam Tadashadada Marakakakakakakam Karakhalatashasta Arkalakatatatam to Mantara Alakoshakaladatam tatatam 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 tatatama shashasta Arkakakakakakakakima koko mashamdasta tata Alakakakakakakakakakakakakaratoshtatatatam madatatam madatatam Malikashashashastatatam tatatam 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 dadadadadadadadada dadadadadamakashish makalakatash malakashish malakashish. Breathe out. Feel yourself that you have become new. You are feeling lighter already. And be in this energy, be in this pyramid. As long as you want, you can pause the meditation. He's smiling. He's so happy with joy that yes, we are feeling better. that you are taken care of. You are loved. You are protected. Now, He's again moving forward with us. You are sitting behind. And as we are moving forward, we are moving for more and more ascension. And the speed has become very powerful now. The more we release, the more we can move forward very fast. These 5 horses are the 5 senses. So if the senses are in alignment, you can clear your journey with bliss. You need to be in alignment. As we are moving further, the next door, which is stopped, which is closed, is now He's again asking the question, what is the next thing which human being experience and scared of? Speaking the truth. Yes, speaking truth demands courage. And human being always scared of speaking truth because of lot of fears. Fear of losing, fear of judgment, fear of abandonment, fear. So let's release this block today. And now Krishna is releasing the fear from the heart and the block from the throat. So your connection, you will experience more and more with the source, with the divine, which is Krishna. Aham khalakhatatakhatatam shishastatakhatatatatakhatatam tadakalakattashashasta alakoshtatakatatata alakoshtatakatatata arakakakakakakakakakamakalatasashasta hata mashasto marakalakatatakhatatatam shashastatatatatatam marko makalakatatatam daratatatam dadatam 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 dadata Dadadam 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 daradadadadadam dadashishis dadadadadadam datasha alhakakakakakakakakakamagatashish daradadadada. Breathe from the heart and exhale. Akakakakakahashishishtam. So now he is releasing from the throat also, throat chakra. So experience and see, visualize a beautiful Markaba in your throat chakra and in your heart chakra also. And as this Markaba will spin, your fears will release. Hold yourself, ground yourself. Akamakalakatatikalatatakatatam kalakatatatatatatatamataratatatatatatatam datatam datatam dadakalatatashashasta alakoshushushustokaramatalo marakalatatato amkokokokom karakalakakakakamakalakatatatam tatakatatatam shashastatatatata marakalakatatatisham tatakatata marakalakatatatam shashastatatatata shishashkatatata Shishashkatatatam tashashastam Akakakakakam kalakatatatam tashashastarakalatatatam tatatam tatatam Arkalakatatatam shishastatatam tarakalatatam tatatashasta Arkakakakakakam millashishastakatatatam Arkokokokokokoko makarakalatashashasta Alatititihitim tatatam 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 taratatototototo Akashishistatato Ashtata, Shashastata. Markish, Maladosh, see the block energy, fear energy is releasing, and as it is releasing, Merkaba is also released from your throat and from your heart. Breathe. Now you can speak your truth with love and compassion. Now he is moving forward very fast because he wants all of us to dive into the energy of love and surrender and compassion. And today is his day. As we are moving forward, and he is really taking the charge of the journey. Horses are flying very fast, very fast. Now, as we are moving forward, we are already feeling lighter in the throat and the heart, soles of the feet, your back of the chakras are also shining bright. Now, there is another door which is closed, and now he is again smiling. What is another thing which human being experience in the life? The pain. Pain because of the thought process. Pain because of your feelings. Pain because you feel injustice. Pain because you feel powerless. But understand, you are not that. This is just a thought. So now, I'm releasing pain, which is dukh. It's just an unacceptance of the truth, of the reality. And as long as you will not accept, it will give you pain. Acceptance is the key. Malakoshi katatatam hadatatam tatahаттashashasta Arakakakakahatam tachashatatata Arakokokokokmakalakattashashasta Arkakakakakahakam kalakatatatam Sharkastatitim tatakatatatam shashastatato Arkakakakakam kalakatattashashasta Alatatohotom tarakalatam Alakatatam taratam 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 tatashashasta Alakashashasta hataha Marco hoko ma tarakhalatata hitititim tatatata. Alkashashastam tarahatashastam. Arko koko ma talakalatatatam tatahatata. Markakakakakakam kalakatti shashastam taratatatato. Arko hoko ho ma shamtastatata. Alkakakakakam karakakakam karakakam karakam kakaka. Alkalakattashastata tata tama tarkattashastata. Markakakakam kalakattashastam. Arko hoko ma kashashasta. Arkalakatatatam taratatatam tatashastam. Markikakam karkalakatatatam tatashasta. Alakatitititititim taratatam tatatam tatatam taratam tashasha. Alkakakakakakakakaho. Markam kashashastam taratatatam tatashastam. Breathe out your pain, your hurt, your unacceptance. Because now Krishna has taken the charge. Bring a big smile on your face as we are moving forward in the journey with Krishna. And now the doors are open. It's so beautifully open, wide open. And we are becoming the light. And the next thing, which is the most important, and the last thing, which is little bit challenging for a human being, which is the detachment. It's not that you don't love, it's not that you don't care, but detachment will not give you anger, will not give you pain. So codes for detachment. This codes will release the attachments from any energies from the past lives, from your contracts, from your vows, from your oaths, from your commitments, because those are also attachments which you are still carrying. So you'll release as much as you are ready to release. Hold your breath, hold yourself, and the Krishna is now putting his hand on your heart chakra and another hand on the third eye, the thumb on the third eye, releasing the attachments from you. Arako ho ma karakala tatatatam. Malaka shishashistaratatatatam. Alako ho ma shamakatatatam tatatam tatatam taratash. Akakakakam karakatatatam shishastatata. Alko kam karakashasta. Arham kalakatatatam shishastatatato. Arkakakam kalakatatatatashishistatatam. Arko ho ma karakakakakakakam. Sharkastatatatatama tatatatama shishtata. This is the initiation also from the Krishna. Arkakakakam kalakatatatam shishastatatam. As you are experiencing this, you can experience the initiation from the bottom of your spine also. Adako ma Sharakoko ma karatatatam tirakalatatashim tatatata Markosh tatakatata Marco hoshes sharadalatatam datatam 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 Taradam datatam 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 taradam tatashista Arko ho ma sham tatakatatatam Markol kukukukukukumakalatash tatakatata Arkikikikikim kalakatatatam shishistititim Marko kukukukukukam shisham taratatatatama shishistadatatatatatam Arhokakakakakamakalatam sha Marko ho ma karkakakakim shishistatata Maltititihitim tirititihitim 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 Arashishistadam dadam 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 datatashista Alakakakamakarakakakamakarakatititim dalagatashista Alakatatatam titatam tatatam 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 shishista Marakokokokum shishistata Ali titim 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 dadadadamashishasta. Aha karakakakahakakokokokam kalagattashasta. Arkohokokoko. Arkokokokokomkadadalata. Dadadadamashishasta. Arkakakakashtatatatam. Markokokokomakakam kaladitititititamakoloto. Vilakatatam telekatatam 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 telekatatam. Markokokokomakalagitititim titim 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 titim. Shagadadam tatam 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 shashta. Shashta, shashta, shashta. Breathe out. You have crossed the layers which was required for today and important for today. I'll take charge of your journey. Always, if you allow me. See yourself completely, you're bathing in the light, in the love. It's beautiful, it's divine. And you have become the light. You have become the Krishna. You are not separate from him. Breathe in and breathe out. And now he is taking us back in our room, in our space, wherever we are sitting. With a big smile, he's standing in front of us. Bow down to the supreme power, the Yogeshwar, the super consciousness. Bow down, bow down. And as you are bowing down to him, he is again becoming the light and merging in your heart chakra. You are the Krishna. You are the truth. So you can speak, I am that I am. I am that I am. Be in this energy and space as long as you want. Drink a lot of water. And integrate the energies. You are bathing in the love of Krishna. Thank you so much again for joining me. I am Falguni Raja, the channel of light. Namaste.